Hi, I'm Chandler from Dittofeed, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Webhook channel to automate messages in Slack. As a quick note, Dittofeed is an open source messaging automation and customer engagement platform, and we couldn't do any of this without all of your support in the form of likes, subscribes, and GitHub stars. So thank you, and I hope this video makes your messaging tasks easier. Okay, so let's dive right in. From the Slack admin page, which I'm on here, you can go to Configure Apps in the left-hand column. Then go to the top right to this Build button and click Create an App. Now we're going to create from scratch and add an app name. So let's call this app Dittofeed Test Bot. All right, pick a workspace and click Create App. Now go down here to Incoming Webhooks and make sure this is turned on and add the new webhook to your workspace. Select a channel that you want the bot to be in. I have this alert testing channel that I've already made, so I'll click Allow. And once you've done that, you can go back to your Slack app, and if you have this message here, then it's been installed. Next, we are going to go to OAuth and permissions right here in the left column. And you're going to want to copy this bot user OAuth token and also scroll down to bot token scopes. And let's add a scope of chat right. All right, so it's saying to reinstall the app since we've made these changes. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now with this bot user OAuth token, we can head back to Dittofeed's settings page and click Webhook. Let's create a webhook secret. Let's name it Slack bot token. And copy that. Gonna need it in a second. And paste in. Sorry, if you don't have a clipboard manager like me, you might have to go back and copy this OAuth token. Anyway, click Save. And now let's close settings and head to message templates. We are going to make a new webhook template, give it a name, alert, testing, we can use that. For the URL, we are going to use Slack's post URL for messages. I'll put this URL in the description to this video, but I already have it here, so I'm going to paste it in there. Under data, we're going to add a couple things. We're going to add a text key with a value of the message that you want to send to your Slack channel. So this can be anything. You can also add template variables from your user properties. Say you want to add this first name property, you can say user.first name, and that'll populate there. We'll just stick with hello world for now, keep it classic. And the next thing you want to add in this data object is a channel key with a value of the channel name, which is alert testing. So throw that in there. I forgot to add a comma. Under headers, your token that we put in the settings page will go here. So let's put authorization. And it'll have a value of bearer with the token in double curly brackets, secrets dot Slackbot token is what we named it. That's pretty much it. Hit publish, confirm, and now let's try to send a test message and see what happens. Looks like the message was sent successfully. Oh, we're getting an error, channel not found. We haven't invited our Slack bot to the channel, so let's do invite/invite, and then and then just type in the name of your bot there. Okay, send that. Let's try to do another test message. Okay, looking good. And there's our test message. That's how you add a Slack bot to a Slack channel and use the Dittofeed webhooks channel to send messages. We haven't really covered the automation of these messages yet, so let's take a random hypothetical situation to automate. Let's say you have a restaurant supplies business and a person named Sue Thompson is a repeat customer, and she has a donut chain called ST Donuts, and you want a Slack alert to tell you when she's bought a lot of supplies in the last month, so you can call her up and personally thank her and maybe even send her a gift. I don't know, this is just the first scenario that popped into my head when I was writing this script, so I'm running with it. Let's go to Dittofeed and let's create a segment for Sue. We're going to do a user trait, and let's say that the trait is Sue's email. Sue Thompson at stdonuts.com. This is all theoretically information that would be in your customer database. Okay, and let's add an and. User performed. Let's say that this event name is supplies purchase, and you want the times performed to be, let's say, 3 times, and then add a time window. Let's use weeks and just say 4 weeks. So basically, this is saying that anytime a user with an email, Sue Thompson at stdonuts.com, anytime that user performs a supplies purchase at least 3 times within 4 weeks, that user will enter this segment. Let's name this Sue supplies purchase. Click save. Now go to journeys and let's make a new journey. So the entry for this journey will be that segment that we just made, and the message is going to be a webhook, and it'll be that we'll just use the alert testing template that we just made, and we can call this, Sue is added again. Okay, and you don't need a subscription group. So close out of that, and you can configure the journey here. You can name it ST donuts Slack notification, and make sure that it can be run multiple times for this user, and start your journey. That's pretty much it. You just witnessed a full automation tutorial as well as how to set up webhooks. I hope you found this video helpful. In future videos, I'll be showing you how to utilize the webhook channel to automate messages across even more channels like mobile push and WhatsApp. So stay tuned, and if you like this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.